Hey, what's going on, Andy? I made this worksheet. It works just like the other worksheet or the program that you had. So you go to that spreadsheet, then you click on Start Loan Calculator, and you get a box. So then we can type in, and I'm using the same information that I took from the sample. So loan amount, let me get closer, 10,000. I'll leave the interest at 15%. Start date, I'm gonna use this past Saturday's start date. And then payment amount 220. Generate schedule. So it generates the schedule. Then you can save it as a PDF. And now you can print it from here. Also, it's also saved in this folder. So you'll always have it if you want to go back to it. So you can reset the fields and keep going if you got multiple, and they'll just keep being added. It'll be another tab open, and it's the name that you put in it. And then you click exit, and that's it. You can save, and that's it. It'll work on any Windows machine. I'll have to put it on your computer and test it just to make sure, but it should work on any machine.